This is really cool. Okay, I'm going to start with a poem which I was commissioned to write, and I was supposed to borrow an element of a poet that I really liked, and rather than borrow anything from her, I just kind of wrote about how I'll never be as good as her. And she writes, she visited a number of European cities and wrote back to herself from the city, from London. And I tried to imagine a European city, and all the best I could come up with was an airport. So it begins with a quote from the blurb of her book, which is called Leontia Flynn, which says, she visits a disjointed number of cities, each one the occasion for an elliptical postcard home to herself. Airport poem. I get dropped in and fall for the light of cities I didn't know, because the tourism's more than over, and that was never the point, and catch a connecting flight which joins city, home, poet, me, like some plastic knot of bunting. Yes, the Berlin Wall might be the peace walls in Belfast, and perhaps we queue from the Louvre from the length of Ireland. But what we take away is not the information, but the taking away. The poet's continual call back to itself like a token boomerang labelled send, resend. And I frame this in my own airport. I write back to London from the airport, from London, but I get myself confused, mixing the plane that makes the distance with the emissions in ellipses, and lose both somewhere in the blue air, and rather find my own home postcard and think maybe postcards were never about moving, but home.